Let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to x squared minus 3x, and g of x is equal to x minus 2. And first find a composition of f and g. Composition of f and g is equal to f of g. And evaluating functions is always the same. We can go to our f of x, and we're going to replace our x's with parentheses. So we got parentheses squared minus 3 times parentheses. Now whatever's inside of your parentheses right here is automatically what we're going to put here and here. So put g there and g there. But g is equal to x minus 2, so this becomes x minus 2 to the second power minus 3 times x minus 2. Well, then we simplify this. X minus 2 squared is x minus 2 times x minus 2. And then I use a distributive property. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. Minus 3x plus 6. And then combine together like terms. We got negative 2x, and negative 3x. That gives us negative 7x. We got 4 plus 6, which gives us 10. Now I'm going to go and skip down to C, because they kind of logically go together. This notation says find the composition of f and g, and then plug negative 2 in for the x. Well, we just found a composition of f and g right here. So now we're going to put parentheses in everywhere we have an x. So I got parentheses squared minus 7 times parentheses plus 10. Whatever's inside this parentheses automatically goes here and here. So I put negative 2 there, negative 2 there. Negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 7 times negative 2 is 14 plus 10, which gives us 28. Okay, now let's find B. B is finding the composition of G and F, which is G of F. So we're going to take our G of X, which is x minus 2, and everywhere we have a parenthesis, or everywhere we have an x, we'll put in parentheses. So we got parentheses minus 2. Now, whatever's you have inside this parentheses automatically goes down here, which is F. But F is equal to x squared minus 3x. So this becomes x squared minus 3x minus 2, which those parentheses aren't doing anything. So we got x squared minus 3x minus 2. Then I want to find D. Composition of G and F, and then you get plug 3 in for the x, is what that notation says. There we go. So everywhere I have an x, I'll put in parentheses. So I got parentheses squared minus 3 times parentheses minus 2. And again, whatever's right here is automatically what you put in right here and right here. So put 3 there and 3 there. Then you simplify. 3 squared is 9, minus 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2, which gives us negative 2 as our answer.